Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a goat milk kefir using the yogurt maker. We've got a video on how to make dairy milk kefir. We're going to use goat milk today. It's a little bit gentler on the gut, slightly stronger taste, but still the same rich probiotic outcome, and it's very easy to make. Before you get started, make sure that you sterilize your yogurt making glass jar and a whisk. Then you can pour 2 liters of fresh goat milk into the jar. Pour 1 packet of the Easy Kefir starter into the milk and whisk it thoroughly. Place the lid on the jar and then put it straight into the base of the yogurt maker. Slowly pour water into the base up to the tall line indicator and then place the cover lid on top. Use the digital control panel to set the temperature to 25 degrees Celsius or 78 degrees Fahrenheit and the time to 24 hours. Then press confirm to begin incubation. When the time is up, you can turn your yogurt maker off and place the jar straight into the fridge to chill for at least 6 hours or overnight. So there you go, that's a goat milk kefir. It's a very rich source of probiotic, so add it to your smoothies, enjoy it however you like. If you want to know any more about kefir, then head to our blog post. The Cutting Edge Culture's Easy Kefir Starter makes it really simple for you to make yourself at home. Give it a go for yourself and let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes to come. And if you enjoyed this video, then give it a like for us. We'll be back very soon with another recipe.